Of cutting down on the number of younger people spreading the virus, the governor announced today last call for buying alcohol will be moving from 2 a.m. to 10 p.m. He is still finalizing the order. Our Gionet reporting tonight on the expected impact. Alan, we do know this will cover casinos and liquor stores and the already struggling restaurants and bars.
Well, Jim, Thursday night at this time, the alcohol service will have been shut down a few minutes ago at 10 p.m. across the state. Now, for bars like Blake Street Tavern right here, they were pinning a lot of hopes on the return of pro baseball and basketball and hockey on TV and the people to watch it to try and recover $1.8 million in losses. But one bar manager told me today, this is a punch in the gut. The inside space, you got the outside space.
Yes, sir. We've got a brand new beer garden.
At Blake Street Tavern, owner Chris Fuselier shows off his COVID beer garden on top of 18,000 square feet of space inside. They're hurting, and he's outraged at the governor's decision. Is he in the wrong?
He's absolutely in the wrong.
Fuselier argues they're vigorous about rules on distancing and masks.
We are more regulated than anybody. We will maintain the distancing.
He says if he stops serving at 10, the night is not over.
And they're going to keep the party going. And then they're going to go to their apartments or their condos, and they're going to drink there. And they're not going to socially distance, and they're not going to be wearing their masks.
Outside Bordeaux in the Highlands, one of his 10 restaurants, Juan Padro is backing the governor's move, knowing rising infection rates are troubling.
He's got reason to be concerned for that, I think.
Still, Padro knows there are other gathering places where young adults may be getting infected.
I think he was really smart to limit it to 30 days and reevaluate. We'll see if it moves the meter a whole lot. I think he's just seeing if it does. I don't even think he knows if it will.
Fuselier notes only about 12.5 of Colorado's 400-plus outbreaks are traced to establishments that serve alcohol.
Why are we being picked on? 10 o'clock at night? I mean, we've got to survive, and we are already dying as it is.
Tough move on top of tough times.
If that's the decision he's going to make, then I'm going to get behind it.
Even if it costs you?
Even if it costs me.
Coincidentally, Fuselier and other tavern owners today filed a lawsuit against Colorado's Department of Public Health and Environment over capacity limits, saying there is no science behind the limits of 50 indoors or 100 if you have multiple rooms. That lawsuit claims that 80% of Colorado's bars and restaurants are already, Jim, at half their capacity right now. In Denver, Gionet covering Colorado First.
Thank you.